Walsall renters, we've got a beautiful property to show you today. We're back at the Saddlery here, where we were a couple of weeks ago, I think, where we've got a property to sell. Today we've got a property to rent, a lovely one-bedroom apartment that's been refurbished. You know this location. If you haven't, I'll just give you a quick glance around. You've got Bridge Street over there on that side, and you've got the Goodall Street over there, where the old post office used to be. Now it's vacated to another premises. And we've got the town hall over there on that side. And being in the town centre location, obviously you've got everything kind of nearby with the bus station, train station, or the public transport. So the building itself is the Saddlery over here. And we're going to take you in and give you a video tour. See if you follow me. Okay, so the entrance lobby, we've got the communal section, post boxes as you come in, is on this side. There's the fire alarm control panel on this side over here. This used to be the old Brooks building, the old leather works, and they've reconditioned this, refurbed this probably in 2003 or so. 17 apartments consist in this block, and the flat that we're going to go and see is on the second floor. So if you follow me up, as you go up, there's microwave light fittings, and these come on. Notice board is over here, and over here it tells you which flats are on which floor. This lovely tiling that you can see, kind of the old Minton style tiling. It's a Grade 2 listed building. It's maintained a lot of its old features. The staircase you can see, it's the old features of the building before. Full of character. Big windows in the communal section, and you see in the flat as well the same. Number 9, this way. So as you come in, you've got the intercom system over here on the wall, so you can buzz people in. Consumer unit sits on the top over there. That's your electric consumer unit. So the entrance hallway leads into, I'll get out of the way, the bathroom. So it's a new shower unit that's gone in here. It's been freshly painted and decorated. And the carpets to the lounge and bedroom have also been changed. So we'll go into the main lounge. If you come in, lovely lounge diner. I'll have the way so you can take the pictures. Really good space, new carpets, curtains, blinds, everything's kind of here. All someone needs to do is to come in, plonk their furniture down, and you're basically ready to go. Yep, so this end faces the promenade. Straight across is your town hall to your left hand side, and there's the pub on your right. There's about 3 pubs in this corner, so lots of social activity and buzzing. Obviously this is the situation with COVID-19 at the moment, and things are not as you would expect as normal. So over here you've got white goods as well. You've got fridge freezer, washing machine, and you've got the inset oven hob as well, which comes with the flat. Okay, so we've got the bedrooms to show. A good sized double bedroom, lovely big windows as you've seen in the lounge, lots of light. You've got a few electric points, double sockets on this side, double sockets on that side as well, and there's a little storeroom hats and coats and stuff as well. There is another little room, just like the airing cupboard. Once you're done into the bedroom, I can show you this if you want to go across. This is where the hot water tank is. Your kind of airing cupboard, towels and stuff can go in here, cleaning products, I guess, and that's where your hot water tank is. The building is all electric, so it's got wall panel heaters, as we've seen. And I think we'll end the property video tour over here. So thank you very much for watching. All the links will be in the description. You can go to our website, see what it's priced for. Additional pictures will be on there as well. Do subscribe to our channel. If any properties come to market, we'll be advertising it first on our social media before it goes to market. So everyone will get first dibs that subscribe to our channel. And press that bell icon to be notified as soon as something goes up. Thank you, and we hope to see you soon.